Now we're going to talk about button loop and zipper. That means just like a lace-up closure, we want to make a loop one after the other. Then a zipper, we're going to be adding a zipper that we generally know as a zip. So that is what we want to achieve right now. You join, you make a straight line, then we are going to measure half, just half, then 1/4. Let me calculate it well. This is half, this is 1 2 3 4 5, so 1 2, then mid here. So we're going to do the same thing here, like the down part, to make a straight line. One, two, then we'll make a straight line. Make a straight line. So it's smaller, unlike the other one we have. Unlike the other one. This is another class entirely. Don't mind me, madam. No. Okay. So you would mark the ½ inch, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Stickers. Okay. So you're going to have it this way, and I'm still going to extend the lines. Okay. Okay. You are going to make sure they are well set, well set. So as you can see, that this side actually looks more like it than this other side. So it's this side we are going to work with, like we would make it show on our cloth. So we're just going to extend the lines and see what we have on the zip itself. Easy machine later. Here we now have the button loop for us to work with, and here is the zipper I am just going to work with to show us how we place it on it. And please, the zipper, you know, has to be white or the color of the gown you are making or the clothes you are making. Okay, so but for the sake of this class, I'm just going to use black thread and this bride and this with this loop, and we are going to sew right in the middle. Okay, so let's go to the machine and show you. So just at the mid side, mid part of it, so that's all. Okay, so we have it this way. We are going to remove the pins. Then we would be ready for okay, you have to be very careful removing it as well. That's why we need to use a very strong pin. Okay, so here we have our loop arranged, and now we want to fix it on our button. So how are we going to go about that? Just going to place it on it this way. Okay, you can open it. Or we have to use if you have to use invisible zip, which is advisable. You will just fix it on it like the invisible way of fixing zip. So here we have it on the zipper. So you make it neat enough, then you will identify your first sewing. You identify your first sewing so that you can easily remove the thread and have just one thread on it. But if it's the same stuff, then it's easier that way, like the same thread, you know, it will just clear with it. So here is the zip. Then we are going to have our button on the other side. Let's say this is the clothes you are working with. You're going to have your buttons here normally, and you do the same. You make the clothes on the other side of the zip. If this is the button side, the other side of the zip, then we have it like this. We have a button on it. We have a button on it all through this way. Then we have our button loop with zipper. Thank you.